I want it to go back a little farther. So you, 2, back to the line. We're good. Squeeze it down. That's not going nowhere now. This will be smooth, flat, and then I'm going to chamfer right there to meet that chamfer. So it looks like this comes straight down. Lock in place already. One. Okay, blah, 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 blah. It's slippery.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
There, now I need to make sure it's level. Don't need very much, just a little bit. There we go. Here's the brass on the other side. Ooh. I'm on fire already. Here, let me get the smaller one. Now the top. Put a block in there. So I'm going to need to cut this screw shorter, but it'll end up going like that. So there you have it. Yeah, this is taking a good long time to build, and the reason being is they're difficult. There's a lot of steps that have to go into it, and there's a reason that most infill planes new cost thousands of dollars, because there's a lot of detail in this that you just can't do any other way. But they're a lot of fun, and I'm really looking forward to giving this one away to its new owner when it's all done. I still have a good bit more to do on it though, so stay tuned, and hopefully we'll get this finished someday. But until then, now, if you have questions about this, throw those in the comments down below. But if you do go over to the other channel, Wood by Wright How To, on there I actually talk through it and describe what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. So a lot of the information and people who have questions will be over there. But if you do put a comment down below, thank you. That actually helps out the channel. Just putting comment down below and down below, that does help out. It gets us in front of more people, helps the algorithm. You know how that works. But if you really want to be amazing and you really want to help out this channel and make everything just, think about joining these people over here. They are some of the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, and gorgeous people over on Patreon. Because without patrons or members and people who click the thank you button, we wouldn't be here. You guys are the ones that keep us going. And without you, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you. If you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. Links down below. And I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. People absolutely loved watching this video because it was just riveting.